Namaskar. Kedarnath Yatra on 16 September 24 by helicopter. These services are available for the Yatra and can be booked through IRCTC. We took a six-seater helicopter from Dehradun helipad to Sarsi. After a 10-minute halt, departed for Kedarnath, which takes about 20 minutes to reach. The close view of the majestic Himalayas all around was breathtakingly beautiful. So was the clear blue sky interspersed with a sea of white clouds. The distance from the helipad to the temple is about 1 kilometer, which is walkable, but pittus are available in large numbers. The visit to the dham and receiving blessings of Lord Shiva was a divine experience and a spiritually enriching experience. Jai Shri Kedar, Om Namah Shivaya.